Hey friends, if you wish to remove green check marks on desktop icons in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. This is what these green check marks appear like, and I'll tell you why they are appearing on desktop applications. Because when your computer is connected to OneDrive, OneDrive backs up three folders: pictures, documents, and desktop. So whenever you reinstall your system or just re-enter the system, these options will appear as green ticks corresponding to your desktop icons. For example, in this one, in my case it is a light green tick, in his case it was a dark green tick. Now this doesn't matter, it just means that your file or folder has been downloaded, so you do not need to fix anything here. But if you really want to get rid of this, like really want to get rid of this, then simply right click on OneDrive, select settings, and then click on pause syncing and pause it, and just quit OneDrive if you want to pause it permanently, or you can pause it for 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.